Today we have our review of the top 3 holdings in Ray Dalio's portfolio. I'm Hugh from Wall Street X, and starting off our list at number 3 is Microsoft, MSFT. Our 1-year projection for Microsoft is 540.77 or a 9.2% increase. Analysts think it's going to hit 618.92 or a 25% increase over today. The risk is low, the reward is medium. We put Microsoft as a buy because even though it has a higher valuation, it has very high earnings growth forecasts. It's beat 2 of its last 4 earnings calls, and they have low debt, and their TTM revenue and net income growth is extremely strong. Most analysts are a strong buy on Microsoft right now as well. Microsoft is a serious company that has a ton of potential to unlock with AI and technology advancement in general. Even though its valuation is on the higher side, we think those growth forecasts really make up for that and speak volumes about the reliable cash flows that Microsoft has going on. And despite them beating only half the earnings calls 50% of the time, we are extremely bullish on Microsoft, and most analysts clearly agree as they've rated it a strong buy. Number 2 on the list is Alphabet, GOOG, or Google stock as everybody knows it. Our 1-year projection is 256.68 or a 9.1% increase over today. Analysts think it's going to hit 222.18 or a 5.5% decline over today. We put the risk as low, we put the reward as medium. Google for us is going to be a buy because it has a fair valuation, high earnings growth forecasts. They've beat 3 of their last 4 earnings calls. They have low debt and good TTM revenue and net income. And just like Microsoft, most analysts have rated Google a strong buy. Again, another company with tons of growth potential to do with AI, and a surprisingly fair valuation for something like this that has all those high earnings growth forecasts that analysts have put into it. So given their average valuation, those above average growth forecasts, and positive earnings surprises, we have rated Alphabet stock a buy, and most analysts also agree with us on that. And the number 1 stock, the largest stock that Ray Dalio has as a percentage in his portfolio, is NVIDIA, NVDA. Our 1-year projection is 206.9, which is a 24% increase, and analysts are the same at 206.93, which is a 23.9% increase. The risk is medium, the reward is high. We put NVIDIA as a buy. This does have a high valuation, but extremely high earnings growth forecasts. They've beat all 4 of their last earnings calls, something they do on a pretty consistent basis. They have low debt, strong TTM revenue and net income, possibly the strongest I've seen in a long time, and most analysts are a strong buy on NVIDIA as well. We've covered NVIDIA a lot, but we've rated it a buy mostly because of those extremely strong earnings forecasts, their market positioning overall, and their consistent earnings beats, and we have found that most analysts definitely agree with us on that, as the average rating for NVIDIA for a while now has been a strong buy and continues to be. And those are the 3 top stocks that Ray Dalio has in his portfolio right now. If you want to see the top 3 gold stocks to buy now according to the Motley Fool, go ahead and check out this video right here. Otherwise, like if you enjoy the content, subscribe, and I'll see you next video.